Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyasha Das and I'm back with a non-PYQ set on decision making for ZAT 2025. Of course, this is also expected to be most expected. Why? Because again, this is from one of the life incidents of one of the most popular professors from XLRI and उन्होंने ये publicly share किया था. So I have actually made this set out of his post. So therefore, there are high chances of this set actually coming into a DM set, right? So what I expect you people to do is, before you actually get down into this question and try to understand it, सबसे पहले तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दो एंड शेयर डेफिनेटली से करना, बिकॉज ओनली व्हेन यू हेल्प माय चैनल टू ग्रो दीज नंबर्स रियली मैटर टू मी गाइज. बार बार बोल रही हूँ, इसमें काफी ज्यादा मेहनत लगती है, तो कीप मोटिवेटिंग प्रियाशा, ओके, बाय दीज नंबर्स. So I ask you people now to pause the video, read it yourself, and then I'll give you a small gist about it and get started with the questions. And in this video, my whole focus will not be just on telling you what happened, what should happen, but this video's major focus is to tell you or get you to the answer very easily with the help of quick ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन एंड कीवर्ड फाइंडिंग. मैंने हर एक स्टूडेंट को यही समझाया है कि देखो, डिसीजन मेकिंग में ना हमेशा ये मत सर्च करो कि व्हाट इज मोस्ट एथिकल, मोस्ट लॉजिकल, सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा क्या है, सबसे ज्यादा लंबा आंसर कौन सा है. rather you actually try to find out your answer by focusing on keywords, क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है 90% of the sentence is very very heartwarming. आपको लगेगा कि यही तो बस बेस्ट आंसर है, बट there will be one keyword जिसका जो सब कुछ खराब कर देगा. So I just want you to point out that part in this video. So let's get started. Context बहुत easy है कि एक फ्लाइट में they were going and they found out that there's a lizard, जिसको देखकर हमारे एक प्रोफेसर की जो सन है, that's the real life context, okay. So उन्होंने ये अपनी मॉम को बताया और मॉम ने एयर हॉस्टेस को बताया. एयर हॉस्टेस ने कहा कि हमारी ग्राउंड स्टाफ जो है that will take care of it. And what they did was they actually tried to catch the lizard, but since they were not able to, they actually asked the entire passengers to go to another flight. And इसके वजह से जितना भी late हुआ ना, that was a cause of verbal harassment on the kid, okay. While people were blaming him that there was no need to be scared of a lizard because it's easily found in the houses, and this was really bad because they had to stop and it was very very long duration for which they had to wait and stuff like that. इस तरह से लोग verbally abuse करने लगे. So to this the boy felt very unfairly targeted and victimized. Now the question is कि airline को क्या करना चाहिए to manage these situations in future. So let's have our first question. Again, pause the video, try it on your own, and once you are ready, let's try to eliminate each option of this question. Now, what should be the airline's approach in managing such incidents to ensure safety and smooth operation? सबसे पहली बात है कि हम ये समझेंगे कि ये जो question का answer है, ये definitely किसी भी तरह के future action पर dependent है. Like we are trying to search that what should the airline do? Should the airline do in order to avoid such situations in future? So if I go for the first option, it says that the prioritizing the flight safely, conducting a thorough check, delay boarding, fully resolved, passengers informed at every step. Trust me, जितने dots मैंने इस भी अभी लगाए हैं स्क्रीन पर, all of them except one is positive and exactly pointing towards the answer. But that one word which I pointed out is leading us to believe that this is not the right answer. Have a look over here. Delay boarding, guys. Delay boarding. आप अभी इस सिचुएशन में कैसे आए? Why are we even discussing this question? Because कंसर्न ये नहीं थे कि लिजर्ड फ्लाइट में रह गया, कंसर्न ये था कि इसको खोजने के चक्कर में डिले हो गया. एंड जो चीज अभी करंटली प्रेजेंटली हुई है, जिस वजह से इतना सारा मैटर क्रिएट हुआ है, आप उसी को फिर से रिपीट करने की बात कर रहे हो. Doesn't that sound so stupid? And as I said you, most of the people, trust me, most of the people who don't practice DM दिल और जान से, and of course जो प्रियाशा दास की वीडियोस नहीं देखते हैं, थोड़ा एडवर्टाइज करना जरूरी है, ओके. जो प्रयास दास की वीडियोस नहीं देखते हैं, वो लोग क्या करेंगे कि जितने भी मैंने डॉट्स मारे सब कुछ देखकर वो बोलेंगे वाओ दिस इज द मोस्ट परफेक्ट आंसर एवर, एंड दे विल नॉट पे अटेंशन ऑन द वर्ड डिले बोर्डिंग. And therefore this option becomes wrong, guys, okay. Now coming to option B, of course downplaying such minor incidents is absolutely wrong, because you cannot ignore such incidents as an airline. Option C, the airline should continue the boarding process, inform the passengers that those who are uncomfortable leave and take another flight without extra charges. मेरे भाई ये डिसीजन आपको पैसेंजर की तरह नहीं एयरलाइन की तरह लेना है. So if you are the owner of the airline, क्या ये करना monetarily feasible है? Of course not. So therefore option C is also out. Now option D says the airline should create a policy. सबसे पहली बात है कि जैसे ही लोग policy word देखेंगे, they would be like अरे 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 ये तो बहुत लंबा long term solution है. But trust me, अगर आप option E पढ़ोगे तो आप देखोगे कि issuing an apology is never a solution because this is a condition जब अब गलती हो गई है कुछ कर नहीं सकते तब अपॉलॉजी देंगे. ऐसे थोड़ी ना है कि हम बार बार गलती करते रहेंगे और बार बार सॉरी बोलते रहेंगे. So when we compare option D with E, we understand that even if creating a policy looks like a long term solution, that's the only feasible thing to do here. So option D is the right answer. Moving to the second question, guys. Try it on your own. And I hope you have tried it so far. So इधर भी आपको क्या करना है, सिर्फ keywords के साथ खेलना है. Concentrate over here. How will the mother address her son's feeling of victimization? The concern or the point of focus is son की जो current feelings है उसको ठीक करना. So contracting a lawyer, extreme step. Asking the airline to issue a public statement clarifying that this was not unnecessary fear but a legitimate safety concern. Technically ये पूरा post उसी के बारे में था. Like this was a very subtle way of asking the airlines to apologize. Okay, but then the thing is that this is not what will help the son immediately to feel better. उसको तो विक्टिमाइज कर दिया ना. आप क्या उसको बोलोगे रुको रुको मैं इसकी पनिशमेंट करती हूँ, मैं इसका कोई सोल्यूशन निकालती हूँ? ऐसा तो नहीं होता, राइट? That's not an immediate action to take. Now she should suggest her son to apologize to the passenger that's making his feelings worse. Option D, she should encourage her son to stand his ground. अब आते हैं English language पर. Standing his ground means sticking to what he did. Okay, that means it can be good, it can be bad. आपने जो कर दिया अब उस पर ही चलो. Standing his ground, जो decision सुना दिया उसी पर continue करो. But option E के साथ अगर हम compare करते हैं तो this is the place where we see that she is trying to reassure her son that whatever he did was the right thing. Okay, and it was for the safety of everyone. This is actually the priority thing, and regardless of whatever negative reactions is coming, he should not be bothered. Now this is much better an answer compared to option D. So the reason being that is option D में आप बोल रहे हो तुमने जो किया उसी पे अड़े रहो in Hindi, and option E means आपने जो किया सही किया. So what do you think is more reassuring for a person who is feeling victimized? Obviously option E. So that makes the right answer. Now here's the last question from the set, guys. Over to you. What would be the best way for the airline to handle the passengers who verbally harass or blame others during such incidents? Well, again, we will make it very easy to eliminate option A because किसी को भी यूं ही अपने प्लेन से निकाल देना लॉजिकल ग्राउंड्स पर 0% इफेक्टिव है. आप ये कर ही नहीं सकते. ओके, until and unless there is actually a physical abuse or a very major incident happening in the airline or a security concern. तो इसको मद्देनजर रखते हुए when we highlight the word verbally harass, आप किसी को verbal harassment के लिए प्लेन से बाहर नहीं निकाल सकते. Option B, the airline should make announcements during the incident. Again guys, how would the airline avoid such situations in future? मतलब होने दो झगड़े, हम उसी वक्त अनाउंसमेंट करके संभाल लेंगे. हाउ स्टूपिड इज दैट? ऑप्शन सी, द एयरलाइन शुड हैव स्ट्रिक्ट पॉलिसीज. अगेन वी कम डाउन टू पॉलिसीज, but let's compare it with option D. Airline should offer passengers who were involved in verbal harassment a what? Peaceful resolution? Mediation? Mediation doesn't work in these cases because here third party is already involved, that is the airline. Option E, the airline should provide counseling. Seriously? Option C has to be the right answer, even if it's again talking about policy, guys, but then policies are a way to actually avoid such situations in future. And abhi to sabse important question baki hai. The most important question is, how was the session, guys? Make sure that if you have any further queries, then you drop a comment below or drop me a message on Instagram. I'm just a message away. And you can also reach me out on these other platforms जहाँ पर आपको free का सारा content मिलता है. So make sure you make use of it. And if you want a personalized session, then don't forget to book a session on Unstop. The links are there in the description box. And please, as I said in the beginning, आपका हर एक कॉमेंट, हर एक लाइक मुझे बहुत मोटिवेशन देता है. सो मेक श्योर यू शो योर लव all free of cost by just sharing this video with more and more people, subscribing to my channel if you haven't done that yet, follow me on Instagram and show me your love in the comment section. Take care, bye bye, see you in the next video. Till then, प्लानर तो वीकली देख ही लिया होगा, अब तो रोज वीडियो आने वाले हैं इस वीक में, तो देर किस बात की है, जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लो अगर नहीं किया है तो. टेक केयर, बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.